Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Synthesia AI for face swap videos. So go ahead to the official website. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create free AI video. Here you go. This is the script already written, right? But basically what you're going to do, you're going to select the avatar, right? Joshua, Julia, or Alex. After you hit create right here, of course, you're going to log in using your credentials, okay? So I'm gonna enter my email right here. Okay, how did you hear about Synthesia? And then confirm, then hit generate new video. Okay, basically you can use or you can train the AI. Yeah, you can train the AI or the Synthesia AI by recording a footage. You can use a webcam or smartphone to record a short script provided by Synthesia. Alternatively, you can record a footage of yourself, right? And implementing your footage to the AI avatar. And you can train, obviously, the AI or the Synthesia AI to create your own way, or you create your own avatar for yourself only, right? But basically, it is not designed for traditional face swap. It's not like you just add the face and then just change it or swap it like any normal website. You need to actually train, record yourself, right, while doing that. And obviously you can see the pricing, right? Make sure to buy the best subscription that allows you to train the AI, okay? And after you record the footage of yourself, you can upload and submit the footage to Synthesia along with consent video, okay? And Synthesia's AI will process the footage to create your custom avatar, okay? This may take a few days for Synthesia AI, okay? But depending on your budget, obviously, you need to book basically, or you need to have a budget in order to create and train your own AI avatar, right? And customize it, obviously, so you can add your own script and start producing videos using your own footage or your own face. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.